Welcome to Actframework. In this video, I will present a very powerful feature in Actframework named Adaptive Record. And the whole video is created based on Mafia and MongoDB plugin for Actframework. So here is the user class represent the document in MongoDB named user. And I got a name for the user and an address for the user. The address is basically a POJO object, include a street and a suburb. Okay, and I want to add a new field or property to the document named email. Now I have created a service for the user, which provides a set of RESTful endpoints for user resource. The first one is to create a user using post action, and then I can list all the users using get action, and I can show a specific user using the get action with a URL parameter named ID. And I also can update the user with the ID, and I can say I want to update a part of the user fields, and I use the map to pass the fields here. Okay, so first of all, let's just clean my database, and then I want to say I want to create a user named David Home. Just ignore this part, and my header is content type I have to specify is application JSON, and I want to say I accept application JSON as usual. And here's the my body of the post request. I post to the user, so I send it. Okay, now I got my user, and I can query that in my MongoDB. I say find when. Okay, I got a user, I got an email, and I got an address. Okay, and I can query my user. I need to put in the ID into here, and I can query that. Everything went good. So what is that adaptive record? Adaptive record means I can declare the property, or I can suppress the declaration of the property. So for example, I take out the email, and then I want to check that I still got the email, and I take out the address, I still got the address. So what happened inside it is if I go here and I set breakpoint here, and I say send. So look at the V, which is the current user. I got a name, I got an email, and I got an address, which is perfect. But what if I take out the properties from the declaration of the user and I run it again? Now I don't have the name and the address and the email in the memory. Instead, I got a KV store, which map all those stuff into a hash map. So for example, I got an address, and my value is a JSON object, suburb and street. Okay, and also my name and my email. But in the front end, I got exactly the same stuff. So that means my front end can drive the data structure. I don't need to duplicate every piece of code from the front end to the back end. And now I want to demonstrate how my front end can add more data into the data structure. I say I want to put a value. I want to update the data user. So I say here, and I want to say in address I want to add a street number. I want to add a street number 33. So I send. Now my address, I got a 3 items address. That's cool. And my JSON object has street, which is King Street, and the suburb Sydney, and street number is 33. Cool. Now my address got a new one, street number 33, and everything else is untouched. Of course, I can change the stuff. I can say email. I want to change the email to previously it's David at Act. I see it's David at myhost.com. I send it. And my email is changed. Nothing else has been changed. And in the database, I want to try it again. Now I got a street number 33, and my email address has been changed. So what this video shows is you can create a schemaless record in Actframework and leave your front end to drive the data structure. And it's literally a very lightweight and powerful way to design. And I call it UI or front-end driven data structure evolving. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.